guys, welcome back. So today we have another Foodie Friday recipe, but this time we're going to do it a little bit more healthy. Oh my gosh, what's going on with my hair? Today we're going to go ahead and make muffins. We're going to do the breakfast muffins. My daughter's always asking me, Mom, make me breakfast. Sometimes in the morning we're in such a rush to get things going. I have to walk the dogs and, it gets busy. These are great muffins because you can just get them, pop them in the microwave. You can throw them in the refrigerator. You can freeze some. And then when you're ready to eat, you just go ahead and pop one in the microwave. And there you go. So we're going to go ahead and get into that right now. The first thing I did is put my oven to 350 degrees. And I have a cupcake pan here. And I'm putting all the cupcakes in there. We're going to go ahead and start out with this batch. I'm going to make a few different ones just to see what she likes. My daughter's really picky. Now this batch is going to consist of 8 eggs, which I think I have them already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So next I have these 3 bags here. I like to do is I have celery that's already pre-cut because I like to add these in different recipes that I have or different meals. So I like to have them pre-cut and then just tossed in the freezer and brought out whenever I need them, and they're already done and I don't have to start cutting them, and they're already done. Makes things a lot easier. And then we also have onion, which I only have a little bit left. And then we also have bell pepper. You use any peppers. So I'm just tossing in some bell pepper, about a handful. In total, it should equal about 1/4 cup. And then we have some onion. And then last but not least, we have our celery. Next, I have a green onion. I'm going to go ahead and chop that as well. So we're going to go ahead and add that to the bowl as well. And I always like saving the whites because I can always use this in another recipe. Next, I've grated about 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. Looks like a lot, because it is. Next, I have 6 slices of turkey bacon. There's about 5 here, so I'm going to grab another one. You can use turkey, regular turkey. You can use ham, whichever you preferred, but I had this that I was almost done with, so I figured I'll go ahead and use this up and add it in there. I think that my bowl that I got was a little too small, but we're going to try to work it. So we're just mixing this really well. I did have to put this in a bigger bowl. So once this is all mixed, then I'm going to go ahead and add my pink Himalaya salt. And then a generous amount of pepper. We like a lot of pepper. Okay, normally if I didn't have these cupcake papers in here, then I would go ahead and use like olive oil or preferably coconut oil spray. I prefer coconut oil, but I'm going to go ahead and just put them in here just like that. Less calories as well. Okay, so I have them all filled and in the oven, ready to go. Okay, so while I have that in the oven, it's going to be cooking for about 25-30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and prepare another batch, but this time I'm going to just use cheese and ham that I have for my daughter because she's so picky. I'm not going to put onion or anything else in it, and I'll go ahead and put that into my next batch because I only have one cupcake tray. Okay, so here it is, all done in these little cupcakes. This is even just great just to munch on when you just want a snack. They're already ready to go, and it just seems like whenever the food's just there, that's why you'll grab a bag of chips or cookies. When you just see it, then you'll munch on it. At least if you have things like this laying around, it's a little bit more healthier. And also, if you don't know already, I have a giveaway going on, so make sure you check that out. I'll put the link in the description below. It's going to be ending on Valentine's Day, so that's going to be considered like my little Valentine's Day giveaway, so make sure you check it out. Okay, so I wanted to show you before I let you go. Okay, I decided not to do cupcakes on the second batch for my daughter. This is just the ham and cheese. And this one was really simple. This way she can just cut it like a little pie and see if that works for her as well. So whatever works for you, it's supposed to be It's supposed to be quick and easy. So whatever works for you, just do what works for you. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. If you like videos like this, then make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. I do makeup, I'm doing cooking, I'm talking about life, I'm doing it all right now. So if you want to be part of the family and see what's new with me, then make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first.